Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to send USDT from your Coinbase wallet to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you make secure transfers without any hassle. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or moving funds for trading, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Gemini account set up. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. It's 2025, after all, and safety is key. Start by opening your Coinbase wallet app or website. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Wallet section and find USDT in your list of holdings. Next, head over to your Gemini account. Go to the Deposit section and select USDT. Gemini will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's like a digital lock and key. Double-check that it's for the Ethereum network or whichever blockchain USDT is on, since USDT can vary. Now, back in Coinbase, select USDT and choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to check for any network fees. They can add up. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network to avoid any errors. Once you're good to go, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a deep breath and proceed. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account to see when the USDT arrives. And just like that, you're done. Transferring USDT in 2025 is smoother than ever, but always stay vigilant against scams. If you run into any issues, both Coinbase and Gemini have excellent support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space.